MJ Klein back. This time it's a tier ranking video. As you can see, I'm on my Chromebook. I am gonna be tier ranking the Ultra Monsters. You know, like Zero, Red, Blue, Fantasy Ruby Red, Peachy Keen, Watermelon, Gold, Paradise, Violet, Black, Strawberry Dreams, Rosa, Sunrise, and Fiesta Mango. Now I know you guys think this is an honest review, but it's my opinion on rankings alone. So, if you guys find that this is a review, don't worry. I will be doing another review. A coffee review. But onto the rankings. We are going to start with the Ultra Black. Now, cherry is not my favorite. I did like the drink though, the flavor. Monster didn't do too bad with the drink. But in my opinion, it's gonna go in the C. Now the next one, which is the red. Wait a minute, no, the blue. It does have a blue rash to it, but on my personal best, Monster did something good to it, but not the best on Ultra Blue. So that's gonna go in the D's. Fantasy Ruby Red, does have a grapefruit to it. I do like grapefruit. So, hold up. This is gonna go in the C's with a black. There are two Ultra Golds. They just changed the name to Ultra Gold Pineapple. But what do I think of that? You already know my rating on the Ultra Gold. But this is my personal opinion, though. I did like the drink, the pineapple flavor. Again, not my personal best, but what am I gonna rank it as? B. Ultra Watermelon, however, I do like me some watermelon, so I'm gonna rank it as an S. This one you've probably seen my Gridlock versus Monster Red before, probably. Well, Monster Ultra Red. So, it's not my personal best on the flavor, but I do like me some fruit punch. So it's like a fruit punch, so S tier for me. Peachy Keen. I do like some peach. So I'd say A. Ultra Sunrise. It's got an orange flavor to it. Not a strong flavor, so Ultra Sunrise is gonna go in the S. By the way, that's orange, so don't worry. Ultra Zero right down here. It's a good flavor. A bit citrusy, but in my opinion, it goes in the C's column. Paradise? I did like that flavor as well, but not the best drink they had, so D. Ultra Fiesta Mango? I would say this one's an S tier. Basically, it's got a mango flavor if you tried Ultra Fiesta Mango. I could get that anytime I wanted to. Stock up on monster drinks and bam, could get it anytime, any day. Now Ultra Rosa, right down here probably. Not really a strong or light flavor. I'm gonna have to say it's a D on this one. Strawberry Dreams, however, it does have a strawberry kick to it. If you like strawberry, I would recommend this. So, there's that. So, I basically like any kind of strawberry flavored drinks. All the tiers I've got is my personal opinion. You guys know about this. You already know my ratings on each drinks of these, but it's my personal opinion on these drinks. On tiers alone. If you guys want me to do another rating, another ranking, let me know in the comments, and I'll be sure to do it. Well, until tomorrow's review on Reese's International Delight, iced coffee, MJ Klein's out. Peace out. See you in the morning.